Been waiting on this for a very long time, and I am excited that I can finally say, I can open this up. See, I bought it from Joma's shop. You can see here. Pick this up. Wow. Unwrap it here. Mancera Cedrat Boise Intense. Let's open it here. Open it from the top. Pull it out. All right, check it out here and see what it smells like. Let's open it up. See what this smells like. Oh, I can already smell it through the bag. Wow. All right, spray it. Wow. That smells fantastic. This is absolutely pure class. I do enjoy it. Just from the smell of it. It's an extrait de parfum, so I know it's strong. And it's 4 fluid ounces as well. So I definitely will be doing a review coming up on this. And I am extremely happy about this. What I'm going to do is lead the video for the Chanel, Bleu de Chanel parfum that I have as a follow-on video. I will leave my Instagram and Patreon down in the description. Thank you guys very much for visiting the Fellow Gent, and y'all have a wonderful day.